Sure, here are 30 important questions along with their answers. 1. Question: what is the difference between a compiler and an interpreter? Answer: a compiler translates the entire source code into machine code before execution, while an interpreter translates and executes the source code line by line. 2. Question: explain the concept of polymorphism in object-oriented programming. Answer: polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass, enabling them to be used interchangeably through method overriding or overloading. 3. Question: how do you handle memory management in languages like C, C++? Answer: in C, C++, memory management is done manually using functions like malloc or new to allocate memory and free or delete to release it when it is no longer needed. 4. Question: what are the differences between arrays and linked lists? Answer: arrays have fixed sizes and contiguous memory locations, while linked lists consist of nodes scattered throughout memory and can grow dynamically. 5. Question: what is the time complexity of searching in a binary search tree, BST? Answer: the time complexity of searching in a balanced BST is O log n, where n is the number of elements in the tree. 6. Question: how can you prevent SQL injection attacks? Answer: to prevent SQL injection attacks, use parameterized queries or prepared statements instead of directly incorporating user input into SQL queries. 7. Question: what are the advantages of using version control systems like Git? Answer: version control systems allow for collaborative development, easy tracking of changes, and the ability to revert to previous versions of code. 8. Question: explain the concept of deadlock in operating systems. Answer: deadlock occurs when two or more processes are unable to proceed because each is waiting for the other to release a resource. 9. Question: what is the purpose of the finally block in Java exception handling? Answer: the finally block in Java is used to define code that will be executed regardless of whether an exception is thrown or not. 10. Question: describe the difference between dynamic binding and static binding. Answer: dynamic binding occurs during runtime and is associated with polymorphism, while static binding occurs during compile time. 11. Question: what are the advantages of using object-oriented programming? Answer: the advantages of object-oriented programming include code reusability, modularity, and easier maintenance. 12. Question: how do you optimize the performance of a website? Answer: website performance can be optimized by minimizing HTTP requests, using browser caching, optimizing images, and using content delivery networks, CDNs. 13. Question: explain the concept of multi-threading. Answer: multi-threading allows a program to perform multiple tasks concurrently, thereby improving efficiency in applications that can be parallelized. 14. Question: what is the purpose of the self keyword in Python? Answer: the self keyword is used to refer to the instance of the class itself within a method and is passed as the first parameter in instance methods. 15. Question: differentiate between TCP and UDP. Answer: TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, is reliable, connection-oriented, and ensures data delivery in order. UDP, User Datagram Protocol, is unreliable, connectionless, and is suitable for real-time applications where packet loss is acceptable. 16. Question: how does garbage collection work in Java? Answer: garbage collection in Java automatically reclaims memory occupied by objects that are no longer referenced by the program, making memory management easier for developers. 17. Question: explain the concept of big O notation in algorithm analysis. Answer: big O notation represents the upper bound or worst-case time complexity of an algorithm, allowing us to understand how the algorithm's performance scales with input size. 18. Question: what is the purpose of an index in a database? Answer: indexes in databases are used to speed up data retrieval operations by allowing the database engine to find data more quickly. 19. Question: how do you handle concurrency issues in a multi-threaded application? Answer: concurrency issues can be handled using synchronization techniques like locks, semaphores, or using thread-safe data structures. 20.